I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to fulfill the rights people have over them, such as their parents, according to the teachings of Islam. But they should not do this for the sake of people, nor should they go overboard in their duties by crossing the limits set by Allah, the Exalted. One should instead act only for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, and stay within the limits set by Him when fulfilling their duties to others. For example, they should not disobey Allah, the Exalted, in the process of pleasing people. The problem with dedicating one's life and efforts to people, even if no sins are committed, is that a day will certainly come when this person will realize that they dedicated so much effort to people, but in return obtained nothing significant from them, such as gratitude. This attitude leads to bitterness towards life and people. If one persists on this attitude, they will eventually fail in their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and especially those duties towards people. On the other hand, when one acts for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of how little gratitude people show them, they will not become bitter as they acted for and hope reward from Allah, the Exalted. If one's intention is sincere, this will prevent bitterness, as they seek payback for their efforts from Allah, the Exalted, not people. People might let them down through a lack of gratitude, whereas Allah, the Exalted, will reward them beyond their expectations. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.